If your player has been turned off and it's been charging for a while and won't turn back on, what you do is you hold the top left button in, the button that turns it on and off. You might have to hold it in for, 30 seconds. You might have to tap that same button a few times, then hold for 20 seconds, and repeat the process. We've seen that this happens for people, that they have to repeat the process over maybe once or twice till it turns back on. It's just a glitch with this Fiio Pro Player. Again, that top left button, hold it in. If it's been off, if the player's been off for a while, hold it in 30 seconds, maybe longer. Maybe tap it a couple times until it turns back on. Hopefully that will be the fix that you need.